Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okposo if you're joining us for the first time. So today I have this Edo Bridal for you. It's quite a short tutorial, but I just want you guys to see how I achieved the look. So now I've started our brows with Browlution pencil. For people that have thin brows, just draw the outline first and then just fill it in with hair-like strokes. That's how I achieved her brows, because she has really thin brows. Moving on, I'm continuing our brows with in my NYX concealer palette in Deep. So now I've gone ahead to prime and set her eyelid. I'm going in with this light yellow mustard color just to apply the transition first, and then I deepened it with the cranberry color, and then I went in with a tad bit of black just to give it some depth, and then a purple eyeshadow all over. After applying the purple eyeshadow, I went over with a purple glitter all over her lid, and when it dried down a bit, I then went in with this green just at the center to give it that halo effect. So for skin prep, I'm just using moisturizer, primer, and this highlighting spray to give her that glow, and then I went in with an Sammie highlighter. Her foundation looks lighter, obviously, because her face is way darker than her body and her shoulders and her chest, I mean. So it might look like she became lighter, but then I had to match her face to her neck and her chest.
To my mother, I love you, mom, all the way from Cross River State.
So guys, this is the final look. I didn't really talk much because you guys already see me do this over and over. If you like this look, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Kisses.
Oh,